know, where I live, we have been getting some really weather. It's rainy, it's cold, and all that stuff. So, yeah. What's going on in your state? I mean, I hope you have better luck than having just rain every day. So, this was the animation I made for today. So it's raining, and then it makes a puddle. So yeah, I am animating other stuff. I am animating a request right now, and it's gonna take a long time, guys. So about a week or about a few days. So yeah, for you guys enjoy this video. So yeah, bye guys.